Hello and welcome back. Before we start trying our small house project, we need to understand the cockpit of this software. Revit can look scary with all these buttons, but today I'm going to show you the only 5 areas you actually need to know and the secret language of the Revit cursor. So let's dive in. First, let's look at the layout. I call these a small one and the big four. A small one. Quick Access Toolbar that provides one-click access to your most frequently used tools. We can customize it by choosing any tool in the software. You can remove or change order in this way. And to add a new tool, just right-click and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. The big four. First one is the ribbon. This is your toolbox. We can switch to different toolbox as per the project requirements. Most of the time you will be in architectural tab. If a tool disappears, check if you accidentally clicked a different tab. Second one is properties palette. This is the brain. When you click a wall or a door, this tells you everything about it. How tall it is, what it's made of, where it starts, and many more. Number third, project browser. This is your map. It contains every floor plan, elevation, and 3D views. If you lose your plan, just double click it here to bring it back. Here is a mentor tip. If you ever accidentally close the properties or browser, just right click in the empty space and select them again at the bottom of the menu. Now let's move to number 4. The drawing area. The center is your drawing area where you model and draw. At the bottom, the view control bar is essential. Here you can change your view scale, toggle between wireframe and shaded modes, and adjust detail levels from coarse to fine. In the top right corner, the ViewCube helps you navigate 3D views. Just click any face to rotate your view. The navigation bar below it has zoom and pan tools. Mentor tip. Use your mouse middle button to pan and scroll wheel to zoom. It's much faster. Now let's see cursor intelligence and mouse work. Mastering your mouse in Revit will speed up your workflow dramatically. Left click to select elements and confirm commands. Right click brings up context menus with options for whatever you are working on. Use this constantly. Double click on most elements to enter edit mode quickly. For example, double click a wall to edit its sketch. Right click power. The context menu. If you select an object and right click, Revit gives you specific options like create similar or select all instances. It's the fastest way to work. Middle mouse button. It is your navigation powerhouse. Press and hold it to pan around your view. This is how you move around without zooming. Scroll the wheel to zoom in and out smoothly. In 3D views, hold Shift plus middle mouse button to orbit around your model. You can rotate and view it from any angle. Start with these basics, practice navigating between views, and you will be modeling efficiently in no time. In our next video, we are finally going to start a small house project. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.